Racing just is started. We have Let's Reconcile, King Zack, Ken and Will moving a party outside now is Spark in the little portion, Perp and Pretty, Looney Tune, Don's entry comes next, Madam Leonora, Cool and Flashy, Maximum Exposure, then next online now is Perfection, while Hakuna Matata is racing in 12, last 400 meters of the race, we have Ken and Will by about 3 lengths, moving up now to take second, down on the inside, King Zack. Spark is on the outside as they swing for home. Ken and Will by about 4 lengths. King Zack in second. Spark is racing in third with about 75 meters of the race. We have Ken and Will followed by King Zack, and finally it's going to be Ken and Will. King Zack, Spark, Perp and Pretty. Then comes Looney Tune and